Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so today we have a 2003 Chevrolet Astro, which has been here numerous times for numerous problems. The truck is tampered with really bad. The wiring harness in here has been cut, spliced, whatever you can think of has been done to this thing. Wire nuts, jumper wires. It's been here for different problems. I think the last thing I fixed on it was reverse lights and a parasitic draw that he was complaining about. The radio was wired incorrectly. It had battery power where it should have had ignition. All sorts of little gremlins in this thing. In any case, it is a work truck. It's a beater. His current complaint is that his illumination on the dash is not working. So we'll take a look. You guys can see the instrument cluster. Right now, I'm going to turn on the headlight switch or the parking light switch, and we should have lights, which we don't. Okay, now I am on headlight. I should have illumination. I have nothing. I noticed now too, I have no headlights either. He did not mention that. This thing does have, I think, a daytime running light system in it, so they may come on with the key. Let's see, we have no parking lights, we have no headlights. Fair enough. Let me just verify that they do come on with the key. Yes, they do. Okay, so they do work with the key. All right, well, we pull the diagram as usual, right? That's what we always do, is pull a diagram when we have electrical things going on, familiarize ourselves with the circuit. And what I will do is I will show you where we are. All right, guys, I pulled a diagram here for a reason, okay? What we have on this is a fuse. This is the instrument illumination circuit again, all right? And this fuse goes to my park light switch, all right, as you can see here. Now, what I want to show you guys is the importance of reading and understanding and having wiring diagrams. This circuit is not that difficult at all, but they can get quite complicated, okay? And having diagrams to guide you and a little bit of critical thinking will help you to quickly determine where the problem is. Now, keep in mind, here's a fuse for the park lights, okay? I'm gonna put that aside for now. Here's our headlight diagram right here. Now, if you look at your headlight diagram, this has a separate fuse for the headlights, all right, right here. So, this does not have anything to do with the parking lamps, so it's an independent circuit, okay? If you look here though, the same fuse for the headlights goes down to your flash to pass. So if this fuse is bad, my thinking here is that I highly doubt I have two bad fuses, okay? There are two separate fuses for these lighting systems. So if I had a blown fuse for the parking lights, that would not affect the headlights directly, if that makes sense, and vice versa. Now, seeing that this fuse also goes to my flash to pass, can I quickly determine that I have a good fuse? There you go. Okay, there's my flash to pass. So if that fuse for the headlight was blown, I would not have flash to pass either, if that makes sense. All right, so where am I going? See, the whole thing is knowing your next move. Where do you want to go quickly to determine the problem? Well, now what I want to do is I want to go right to the headlight switch, okay? The headlight and parking light switch are one piece, right? So we lost both. I'm going right to the headlight switch. I want to see if I lost an input there. Perhaps I have an output problem. I have a switch problem. I don't know, but I want to go right to the headlight switch and do my testing, at least my testing at this moment there. So what I'm going to do is try to set you guys up so you can see the headlight switch is right here. Hopefully maybe I can get you over a little more. Let me see, right here. And if I don't drop the camera, we'll be in good shape. Now, from previous history of working on this thing, I know that nothing here is tight, and this should pop because nothing's screwed in, and it will. And it will pop out. All right. Alrighty. Well, I guess it's good news for him. Well, There's the headlight switch. And there's the connector. As you can see, connectors and such, like I told you. There you go. That may be the issue. All right, hang tight here a second. I'm going to attempt at least to plug this back in. I don't know why it's unplugged or who was in here this time, but I think this guy just likes coming down here and hanging out with me. Wow, magic. Hey, magic. And there's my headlights, and my parking lights should be on. They are. Magic. All right, well, that was a little easier, a lot easier than I anticipated. Didn't expect it to be a plug that was left out, but not every diagnosis is going to be really detailed here, I guess, guys. It is what it is. I'm going to move on to the next one, and hopefully we have something better for you. Sorry.